Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at Nook. We're also having a look at Boring Notch. We want to know which is the best smartphone feature that you should be using right now today. So let's dive in. Alright, jumping into Nook now, and Nook has a sleek teardrop design, and their elegant teardrop shaped notch. It's minimizing the screen interruption while maintaining premium aesthetics as well as optimal functionality. It houses cutting-edge front camera and proximity sensors seamlessly within the compact form factor for superior performance, and it supports intelligent status bar integrations that can maximize your usable screen real estate for enhanced user experiences. You can see some of their benefits include their immersive display. So it maximizes display area for truly immersive viewing experiences across your apps, games, and multimedia content with minimal visual obstructions. Their superior camera quality enhances selfie and video call quality through high-end sensor technology, which is optimized for a compact teardrop housing design. It gives you a larger effective screen space, seamless video streaming and enhanced gaming visuals, crystal clear selfies, professional video calls, and also great low light performance. Some of their advantages include their distinctive design, which sets your device apart in the competitive smartphone landscape, creating instant brand recognition. It has improved compatibility with Google's Notch guidelines, ensuring seamless single-edge cutout integrations across all applications. And it has expertly balanced cutting-edge aesthetics as well as practical functionality to meet the demands of today's discerning users. Let's have a look at Boring Notch now, and Boring Notch is actually not so boring. It is time-tested, it's got a rectangular notch design that delivers reliable performance with the familiar flagship smartphone aesthetics that you know and trust. It has the wide rectangular design, it's got the classic wide rectangular notch reminiscent of the iconic iPhone X style, providing ample space for essential components and sensors. It houses the front camera, it gives you high quality speakers, and it has advanced Face ID sensors with the spacious rectangular housing for optimal performance, and is positioned centrally at the top edge of the screen with perfectly symmetrical bezeled designs that create visual balance and premium appeal. The last thing is some of their benefits. So their flagship recognition. It's proven, it's instantly recognizable, and it's for consumers that associate premium flagship quality and cutting-edge smartphone technology. It simplifies component placement for consistently reliable facial recognition, as well as crystal clear audio performance across all of your conditions. And then lastly, it creates a distinctive and memorable brand identity through the iconic rectangular notch shape that stands out in the marketplace. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, both Nook and Boring Notch both have amazing features. The takeaway really is here to experience it for yourself and see what really talks to you. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.